if we really want to be successful in life, if this is really what we want, if we want to have the best quality of life, the best way to do it, as simple as it sounds, is by supporting each other.
Brilliance also comes when you have diversity of thought at the table and diversity of experience, right? So if you
Yes.
go through life and you're just living it through your lens
Hmm.
without taking in information and insight and discernment and knowledge from others, then you're going to, it's a struggle. It is such a struggle. Brilliance come when you have a multitude of experiences at the table that's building a strategy. And that's what Elevate, Educate, and Inspire has done. We have diversity of thought, experience at the table. And so
Yes.
we're bringing it to each other. I love it.
It's like paying forward. You show
Exactly.
somebody the way, they're going to show somebody else the way. But if you really want to go far, if you really want to have that quality of life and you really want to be successful, don't take the journey alone. Take others with you. That is where the beauty in a journey is.
So
Yes.
listen, tune in on Thursdays as we have these wonderful, powerful, inspirational conversations with my sisters. These are my friends, y'all. So join
This
us.
is our
Join us.
circle,
It is.
our neat little circle, our tribe that's moving forward.
So we'll see you next week.
Yes, can't wait. See you then.